Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing retwist. So I'm retwisting a client's hair, which she started with me as a comb twist. Then after a few months, she decided she wanted to lock the ends of her comb twist. So today we're doing that and also retwisting the roots. So first thing you want to be sure of is that your client's hair is clean. So you wash the hair, wash out all the products and make sure the hair is clean. And then I took my crochet hook, in this case size 0.5, and I started to do the crochet method on the ends of our locks. And after that, after I've done a particular section, I go ahead to apply the retwist product. So I use Jame for the retwist because so far I've had good experience with Jame. It does not flake, it does not leave residue. When it's time to wash your dreadlocks, it washes out easily. So yeah, Jame is good for me, but you can use any product you find better for you. I then go to do the comb twist. I twist the roots and then I use this tiny clips to keep the hair in place by clipping it down. And then I continue this process till I'm done with the full head. One thing you should keep in mind is the parting. You need to clean up the parts and try to take out the hair that is sticking from one lock to the other and make the lines clean. So I followed up with my previous parting and it was pretty easy for me to do. So that is also a guide, like following the previous parting and not doing too much as to pulling hair from other locks, because sometimes that can lead to hair loss. In this case, this hair is not totally locked yet, so it's easy to pull hair from different directions and give a clean parting. So to get the twist, it's not really difficult. You put your comb at the root of the hair and then twist your comb to the right hand side, or you can also do this with your fingers. You hold with your index and your thumb and you twist to the right hand side. Keep twisting until you see that it's looking tight, and then if there's any flyaways you can then wrap it around. Well, in this case there are no flyaways because I've previously used the crochet hook to pick those tiny hairs and tuck them into the lock, so there is no need to do the wrapping method, like wrapping the little hairs around the lock. So So I did this process for the whole of her head, and when I was done, I put her under the dryer for I think 20 minutes, and the hair was done. It was beautiful. The parting were neat. The hair was looking really beautiful, and I absolutely love this color, this ginger color that she has on. And yes, you will see the pictures and videos of what the locks look like at the end. I added some oil to her scalp and massaged it into her scalp, and that is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching.